Hey gang, we have a little departure from our series Back to the Basics, but I thought, hey, I'm getting so many requests on hair tutorials, especially since I cut it short a little over a month ago. So you asked and I'm delivering. Hi everybody, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, this is Beth from Style at a Certain Age, and today is all about hair. And I am going to give you a hair tutorial to show you how I get it to look like this. This is just my day-to-day look, and I will give a 360 because I know everybody likes to see all the angles. I'll try to do a 360 because I didn't adjust my chair correctly. There you go, then I'll whip back around. Okay, and I will actually go into the bathroom and I'll show you how I style it. But first, before we even get to the styling portion of it, everybody's asking about the products that I use in my hair, and I have a variety of them. And why I do, there's really three factors. One, I have gray hair, which needs some special shampoo. Two, I'm aging and my hair is aging with me, so there's some products that actually help address that. And three, I just like to keep some of my regular basic products that I've relied on for years and years into the routine. So I just really kind of, like every other day, or like every day, I'm switching up my products, and I'll explain that to you. But I do start off with Kerastase. I think this is an amazing product. So I have the shampoo and the matching conditioner. I guess you would say I'm matchy-matchy with all of my products. But this is, I think, what really keeps my hair in tip-top condition and gives it a nice shine to it. And that's one of the things that we do notice when we, when our hair turns gray, and as we age, it tends to dull a little bit. So products that help keep the shine, we like those. So this is Kerastase, definitely delivers that. And as I mentioned, I have gray hair, and because of that, you want to guard against having it look too brassy. Blondes face the same predicament. And you can use a purple shampoo or silver-based shampoo, or, and I've used that, Joseph, my stylist, just switched me up to R+CO, so I'm going to hold it up here. So I have the blonde shampoo and the blonde conditioner. And as I said, so that helps my gray hair not be brassy, and that's one of the things that you just don't want it to look like. You don't want it to be dull, you don't want it to be brassy, so those things are addressed. And then thirdly, what I use, so this is Kevin Murphy. I just started using this last fall, and these are products specifically for aging hair. And it just gives a little bit of strength back. And because also, if you do have gray hair, your the follicles and the strands just lose their strength, and that's just what happens as we get older. So that's what I use to combat that. So those are the products that I use to wash my hair, and as I said, I just rotate through those. The only thing that I will always point out is when you use a silver-based shampoo, you will tend to be purple if you use it every day. Now, if you want to be purple, hey, use it every day, but if you don't, then you just have to use it once or twice a week. And then, and I'll show you these also when I'm in the bathroom styling my hair, but I start off with this R+CO pomade. So this is what I'm using. It's about a quarter size that I put in with the palm of my hand, just rub it through my whole head of hair, and then I dry it, and then after I dry it, this is another product I started using last fall and I love it. So this is Kevin Murphy bedroom hair. And you just have to make sure that you're about a good 7 inches away from where you're spraying your hair. But it just really gives it kind of just a nice tousled look, and I kind of like that with short hair, so it doesn't look too uniform. So bedroom hair by Kevin Murphy, and then last but not least, and I don't always use this every day, but on a lot of days I do. I use this R+CO styling gel, and then I just put maybe a pea-sized amount in my palm, and then I just rub this through my hair too. And again, it just kind of helps keep it all tousled and looking nice. So, are you ready for the tutorial? Okay, we're gonna head into my bathroom, which is painted what color? Well, you'll find out. Hang on. As you can see, it's fairly easy to, keep short hair styled in a very, easy breezy day-to-day look. I do push it back from time to time for special occasions, and so stay tuned in the future. We'll have a tutorial on that. Of course, I'm so happy that you stopped by. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Of course, subscribe. I'd love to have you join the family over here, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.